Yeah, no left turn sign either. And then that guy decides to do something.
They've actually been kind of based, but then he had to go and ruin it by also spending a lot of his time refuting the theory.
Wait, he's moving too slow for me.
But why? Why the fuck did he buy whalebones? Because when the sailor was talking about
manual
space
recording
stuff,
will now
he meant
start.
rigging, you know.
Looks like we stopped in number 3. Hit his out of that lock.
Thankfully, this tree is dead because I really don't like killing trees. You guys are awesome. Stay tuned for the next video and stay tuned for more stuff.
Can relate. So in May of 1932, at the age of 33, Al Capone was sent to a...
Use the fucking center lane.
From, honestly, Ohio or something, that would be fitting. Pence plans to warn Republicans against choosing populism.
I doubt this square wheel is gonna flip. I mean, when we tried driving on some proper square wheels, that was a very hard time.
Oh no.
Come up the ladder. So basically we've got our brick foundations, engineering bit, and then obviously the house and all the plaster.
I'm not sure they approved me.